Doing some troubleshooting on the Ecotech here. Since it won't fire, I've replaced the crank sensor. Seems to have fuel pressure, has good fuel pressure actually, so I'm gonna check compression to see if the timing chain has jumped to link and spark at the same time here. So okay, go ahead and turn it over. I see spark, and we got really poor compression. Let me see if keep going. So we got good spark, poor compression. Car is turning over real easy, it sounds like. Timing chain is shot. Timing chain either broke, or it probably didn't break, it probably just jumped a tooth or two, which basically messes up the timing of the valves closing with the... You can turn it off and come out, bring the keys. It messes up the timing, just like it sounds like, of the valves closing. Well, when the piston hits top dead center, so you end up with super low compression. We're looking at about 40, maybe 50, and this should have way more compression than that. I would guess 150 to 200, somewhere around that range. So that's what the issue is. Going to be tearing this motor apart and replacing the timing chain, tensioners, sprockets, all that happy stuff.